Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making these really simple paper boxes. You can put your pencils and markers and everything in. Okay, let's begin. Oh, and all you'll need is paper, stuff to decorate it, and that's it. So, you'll grab the color of paper that you like. I'm going to take probably black. Why not? And then I have to fold it like a card. And then open it back up. And then this side, you're gonna fold to the middle. And then you're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. And push down really hard. There we go. And then we're going to open it back up and fold it back like a card. Then we're going to turn it like this and take the top corner, not the bottom, the top, and fold it to that line that you made. And we're going to do the exact same on this side. And then we're going to do it at the bottom, underneath. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. And then we're going to close these up. And we're going to fold it like this. All the way to this side. There. And then push it down. And then do the exact same. Open it back up. And do the exact same on this side. On the other side. Open it back, and this piece, the top piece, you're gonna fold to the bottom like that. See? And there should be a little line right here and right here. Oh, not there yet. We're gonna fold this like this, like that. So this piece should be going to here, and then this piece should be going to here. Now we're going to do the exact same on the other side. Fold it. There we go. Now we're done. Now back to this piece. We're going to fold it like this, pinch it, and then we're going to do it on the exact same side, but on the other one. And then the one we folded, the back, we're going to, oh wait. Oh, I almost forgot. We have to decorate it first. I'm going to use, let's do the googly eyes.
So you'll decorate it when you get to this point, right?
Yeah.
And you can decorate with whatever you want.
But only in this little square. Because if you do it into any of these squares, then it won't turn out as quite as right.
And this square is going to be your front, right?
Yep. This is going to be your front. Now let's decorate it. Hello. Now I'm gonna probably take some rhinestones. Maybe these ones. There. That looks cute. Look. Maybe I should make him a little nose. There we go. Look at how cute he is. Now we're gonna get back to our folding. Okay, so fold the corner, and then fold the corner, and then this piece, this little square, you're gonna pinch this, and you're gonna put it into this little piece right here. See, like that. And then you're gonna do exactly the same. Uh-oh, I'll fix that after. Exactly the same on the other side. Glide. And push it down before it's in. Really good. Now I'm done. Now I can put my markers in. Wow, look at that. Isn't it cool? Now let's make another one. Put this aside and grab another paper. This time I'm gonna probably take white. Over. Maybe take these out. And then close it up. And there you go, a little present. And then you can give it to somebody and they can open it and they'll have a present. If you're wondering what this is, it's a stress ball. And if you want to know how to make one of these, look in my next video. Bye! See you next time. Hope you enjoy this. And don't forget, oh, and I almost forgot. Don't forget to smash that like button and